G'day and welcome to the top of the world. G'day and welcome to the top of the world. Down under, you know, Australia. And another one of Bouncer's Lockup loot videos. This is my very first lockup loot video. Right, so here we go. I must be honest and say that I actually came up here a bit earlier and changed out the locks, but I don't even know what's in here yet. Now we've got this one and that one there. It's a double unit. I can't tell you how much I paid because that's proprietary information. We won it at auction based on 2 photos and it was under $100. In fact, it was a fair bit under $100. Australian, that is. Shall we look? Wow. Looks like a lot of furniture, kids' furniture. There's an old writing desk back there. There looks to be like a garden setting. A lot of stuff stuffed in the middle. That's where the good stuff is, or in drawers. Chairs, cushions, a couch, another couch. Now, bit of a word of explanation. Australia is a huge country with basically the population of New York City. So, we don't have people that store really pricey, expensive stuff. When it gets to this stage where people can't afford to pay for their gear in storage, most of the good stuff's already gone. But what I do is I buy these things at auction, not because of the furniture. Well, if there's anything nice in there, I might clean it up and sell it. But I buy it for the materials. Because particle board, like this cupboard here, laminated particle board, runs at about anywhere between $11 and $35 Australian for a 2.4 metre by 1.2 metre sheet. And it's the basis for everything, molds, you name it, and shelves and cupboards and everything else. All of this, if nothing else, is good quality reusable timber, hence the upcycling bit. All right, so let's have a look and see what we've got. So what's this? Rubbish bag, mandatory. Somebody always leaves a rubbish bag in these things. Found some Christmas wrapping paper. Ooh. Oh, now you see what happens? You come across, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Put it in a frame. That's a gift. So, there you go. Already, and that's only the 3rd drawer. This one was empty. Okay, let's keep going. I've reached the back wall. Actually, there's some pretty cool stuff in here. A lot of people call this junk, but it's not. Like, I take it for example. Here's a for example, right? This is a seat frame, yeah? It's it looks like it might even be one of the older ones that's Australian made. If not, it's a redwood, which means it's a hardwood. They're relatively together joints, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, there's 6 of them. But obviously what's happened in the sun, the backrests and the seats have actually perished, but the frames are still good. There's 6 of them, and down here is the matching garden table, right? You're going to pay over $1,000 Australian for a unit like this. I will spend maybe a day prepping this stuff, another day sewing up some seats for it, or maybe I might even put some staves on it, make it look even like timberline combo, restain it, everything else, sand back the table, put a nice umbrella with it, like a raising umbrella, picnic umbrella, and that is worth way more, way stronger, and way better than the $1,000 to $1,500 unit you'd be paying for it in the shops. So, there's one new Bouncer UPCYCLE's video sequence coming up, isn't it? The Lockup Loot Picnic Table Challenge. That's what that one will be. Second door. Already got the keys in. Got some interesting stuff. This is only the first run through, so what I'm doing now is looking through all the cupboards and other bits and pieces in there and see what people have thought. What's behind door number 2? Any bag that's high end probably means there's some. Oh, hello. Remote controller. Right controlling what? Oh, happy bouncer. There's an Australian one. And one that you guys can put your national flag on. You tell me which national flag you want me to put on the red one. Aussie one's a blue one, that's got an Australian flag. We're gonna have some fun with these, see if they work. 2 controllers, 2 remote control helicopters. Score. That fella there is Alec with a K. This fella here is Alec with a C. And the fella in the middle who's doing a lot of talking and not a lot of lifting is Tommy.
Last day. Here we are. Last run of the loadout. Been busy. Boys worked hard. And lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of stuff to offload the trailer. You'll see that in a minute.